10 Scientifically Proven Health Benefits of Ginger. People have used ginger in cooking and medicine since ancient times. This root, closely related to turmeric, cardamom, and galangal, dates back to the Sanskrit word srngaveram, meaning horn root, but its current name comes from the Middle English gingivere. In Indian Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, the root has been used for over 5,000 years to treat many ailments, and India is still its largest producer. In Roman Empire over 2,000 years ago, it was specifically valued for its medicinal properties, and in the XIIIth and XIVth centuries, a pound of ginger was worth as much as a sheep. Fun fact: Queen Elizabeth I of England is believed to have invented the gingerbread man, which became the signature Christmas treat all over the world. Most importantly, many of its medicinal, chemical, and pharmacological properties have been extensively researched and confirmed. Ginger contains at least 115 bioactive components, but it's gingerol, the main compound, that's responsible for most of the ginger's benefits, like powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, can protect against age-related damage to the brain, helping alleviate nausea, FX. It's proven very effective when it comes to morning sickness, chemotherapy-related nausea, and nausea after surgery. Ability to boost weight loss. Reducing symptoms of osteoarthritis, especially osteoarthritis of the knee. Possibly powerful anti-diabetic properties, by lowering the blood sugar and improving various heart disease risk factors in people with type 2 diabetes. Reducing gas and helping treat chronic indigestion. Fresh ginger specifically may help protect the respiratory system and ease cold or flu symptoms. It also helps fight harmful bacteria and viruses, which could reduce your risk for infections. Relieving pain, particularly useful with menstrual cramps. Promoting cardiovascular health, by lowering the bad cholesterol levels. It has also been studied as an alternative remedy for several forms of cancer. Ginger is loaded with nutrients and bioactive compounds that have potent benefits for your body and brain, but in terms of boosting your immune system, particularly useful are its anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties.